Hello, friends. I'm Professor S.U. Kakle, working as a lecturer in CSMSS Polytechnic, Aurangabad. Today, we are discuss about decision-making statements in C language. There are four decision-making statements. First is if, second is if else, third if else ladder, and nested if. Another one is there, that is switch statement. But we are in this lecture we are going to see only four statements. So consider first simple if statement. The syntax for simple if statement is as shown, that if in bracket condition, that condition is highlighted in red color, and if condition is true, then that true block statements get executed. For example, if we want to check that n variable is equal to 5 or not, that if we are going to give condition in if bracket n is equal to 5 bracket, we are going to print that value of n is 5 if n is equal to 5. That printf statement will get executed only if the condition gets true. Next statement is if else statement. In if else statement, one more extra part is given, that is else part. If condition is true, then true block statements will get executed. Otherwise, else statements get executed, means false block statements get executed. The syntax is as shown. For example, if you want to find a greater number among two numbers, that is num1 and num2, we have to give condition that if num1 is greater than num2, that means condition gets true when num1 is greater. Then in true block statements, we are going to print number 1 is greater. Otherwise, if number 1 is not greater, then number 2 is greater. In else part, we are going to write printf number 2 is greater. If condition gets false, then else part will get executed. Condition get false means number 1 is not greater than number 2. Then we are writing in else part number 2 is greater. Third is else if ladder statement. In else if ladder, we can use multiple if statements, like first if condition 1, then true block statements means if condition 1 is true, then that statements get executed, that is statement 1. If condition 1 is false, then condition 2 is checked. If that condition is true, then true block statements 2 get executed. If condition 1 is true, then another statements will not be checked. That is very much critical. If condition 1 is true, then condition 2 is not checked. If condition 1 is false, then only condition 2 is checked. And we can write multiple else if in between if and else. That means we have written only one else if, but we can write another else if you have any condition 3. At last, we should write else statement. That means that statement can be considered as a default statement, means any one condition is not true or any of the condition is not true, then else block will get executed. That block is called as false block statement block. Next, else if ladder. Else if ladder example is given. If you want to find number 1 is greater or number 2 is greater among two numbers, then we can use if else statement. But if you want to find that greatest number among three numbers, then we have to use else if ladder. See there are multiple conditions, not only one condition. In number 1 and number 2 there is only one condition, but here are number 3 numbers, number 1, number 2 and number 3. First we check, in first if or first condition we check NEM1 is greater than NEM2 and NEM1 is greater than NEM3. We are using logical AND, means both conditions should be true. That means number 1 or NEM1 should be greater than both NEM2 and NEM3. Then first printf get executed. That means number 1 is greatest will be printed. If this condition is false, then else if is checked. Next if statement will get checked, and that we are checking that number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3. We are using here also logical AND, that means both conditions should be true. The number 2 is greater. If this condition is true, then printf will be executed. Otherwise we are checking next else if statement, that is third condition, number 3, NEM3 is greater than both NEM1 and NEM2. If both these conditions are true, then printf will get executed. Then it will print number 3. NEM means number 3 is greatest. If all these conditions means these three conditions are false, then default statements, that means last else part will get executed. All numbers are equal. Next, where last statement is there, nested if statement. Nested means if inside if is called as nested if statement. First, in if statement, condition 1 is true, then only condition 2 is checked. Otherwise condition 2 will not be checked. Directly else part will get executed. If condition 1 is true, then condition 2 is checked and true block statement 2 get executed if condition 2 is true. Otherwise only true block statement 1 will get executed. If condition 1 is false, then directly control goes to the false block statement. For example, if we want to find whether the number or given number is between 1 and 100 or not, then we are checking if number 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Then other we are checking is between 100 or not, means it should be less than 100 or equal to 100. Then we are checking if number 1 is less than or equal to 100. Then only that printf get executed. That means this printf number is in between 1 and 100. Otherwise, if number 1 is not greater than or equal to 1, then directly else part get executed. Number is not in between 1 and 100. Thank you. For any query, you can contact me on my email ID sachinkakde14@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on this number shown on your screen. Thank you.